Now seoClarity clients can download seoClarity data directly into Google Sheets with the new seoClarity Google Sheets plugin for Chrome browsers. Using your unique API key, you can instantly populate a Google Sheet with data from 3 popular datasets: tag-level keyword information, keywords and their rankings, and a site health summary. Easily choose exactly the parameters you want for your report. In seconds, your sheet is populated with the data you requested. And your query is saved to use again. If you choose to use a relative date for your report, just click this refresh icon to update the data anytime in the future. The seoClarity Google Sheets plugin connects you directly with the largest enterprise SEO database in the world to get your data the way you want it. If you're an seoClarity client, go to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search seoClarity to install the plugin. If you aren't an seoClarity user but would love to have this kind of power and flexibility, go to seoclarity.net now and request a no-obligation demo.